The Steam Deck is a wonderful piece of hardware from Valve. It runs on SteamOS, which is based on Arch Linux, and Valve has even officially partnered with Arch Linux to bring the quality of life improvements to their own operating system and contribute back to the community as well. While SteamOS is awesome with its KDE desktop and unique gaming mode, the OS lacks certain features which, if it were present, would make the user experience even better for average gamer. For example, to play games from your Epic Games library on the Steam Deck, you'll have to go to the desktop mode, install the Heroic Games launcher, and then log into your Epic Games account and install the game. Heroic does add the game to your Steam library, so you can technically play it from the gaming mode, but if the game needs an update, you must do it again from the desktop mode. One more drawback of the stock SteamOS is that if any installed application needs an update, then you'll have to switch to the desktop mode. Standard OS updates on SteamOS only updates the operating system, leaving behind the apps unupgraded. This is where Decky Loader comes in. Decky Loader, or Decky for short, is a simple application which can fill in a lot of nitpicks of the stock SteamOS. It is installed as an extension store in the gaming mode of SteamOS, and with the help of these extensions, you can add a lot of functionality to your SteamOS gaming mode. These changes include changing the theme of your SteamOS, auto-update the Flatpak applications you may have installed, and many more. Some of the implemented features of Decky even gets added to the stock SteamOS if developers like it. To install Decky Loader, you'll have to first switch to the desktop mode by pressing the Steam button on your deck, and go to your power and select switch to the desktop mode. Once you have switched to the desktop, launch Firefox. If you are launching Firefox for the first time, you may have to install it from the Discover store. And once Firefox is installed, you'll have to visit the Decky Loader's official GitHub page. From this page, tap on the big download button and a desktop file will be downloaded. Just open your downloads folder from the file manager, right click on the downloaded file using the left trigger of your Steam Deck and remove .download from its name. Drag the file to your desktop and simply double click on this file to run it. If you have set up a password, then the script will ask for your password for you. And if you have not created a password for your Steam Deck before, this script will automatically create a password for you, which is just Decky. Once the script is done, then you'll have to select the release of this script, whether it is set to be pre-release or whether it is set to be stable. If you're using stable SteamOS, then stick to the stable branch. Otherwise, if you're on Steam Deck beta, and then select the pre-release branch. Once the installation is done, simply restart your Steam Deck so you can get back to the gaming mode. In the gaming mode, press the 3-dot button on your Steam Deck, which is located right below the right trackpad. From this menu, you can see the Decky menu at the bottom. Navigate using your D-pad and open the Decky store. From here, you can install several useful plugins which can improve a lot of functionality of the Steam Deck, but I am going to recommend the ones which I use most of the time. CSS Loader and Steam Grid DB allow you to change the look and feel of the gaming mode. You can make the operating system look however you want, and I'm just using the centered games and rounded icons, which looks pleasant to my eyes. Better download page is another theme from the CSS Loader, and it improves the Steam download page to look better in the 1200x800 screen resolution. Auto Flatpaks is another useful extension which lets you automatically update applications which you have installed in the desktop mode. You can also uninstall any application right from here which you feel is not required without ever switching the modes. Then there is Junk Store. It lets you download, install and play games from your Epic Games library without ever switching to the desktop mode. We will cover this extension in detail in a future video, so do subscribe for that. If you want to move games or just files from your PC to your Steam Deck without using an external hard drive or SD card, then you can do that directly from the USB-C port of your Steam Deck using this extension. Deck MTP requires you to change several settings from the BIOS of your Steam Deck, but once you have set it up, it works pretty flawlessly. Do note that Decky might not show up if there is an OS update. In that case, just run the script again from the desktop mode and don't worry, your settings will not be lost. Decky is an awesome tool which can improve your gaming experience by a lot on the Steam Deck. As mentioned earlier, Decky used to have a vibrant deck extension which improved the color vibrancy of the LCD Steam Deck. But later, Valve integrated this functionality right in the Steam OS itself. May this community create awesome projects like this around the Steam Deck and improves the already awesome Linux-based gaming device. Do like and subscribe if you like the video and dislike if you dislike the video, and thanks for watching.